Hey guys, this is Tim. I recently received this 48-piece hexagon socket set from the manufacturer VEVOR to do a review. So let's open it up, see what's inside, look at its features. Okay, first of all, it comes in a hard shell case, very durable, heavy duty. You have two latches here on the side. Let's open it up. Okay, looks very good. Has a styrofoam piece at the top to hold the pieces in. Okay, you have two sets of 14 of the matrix from 4 millimeters to 15 millimeters. So you have the shallow set and a standard set. And then likewise, you have a set of 10, two sets of 10 of the standard sizes, 3/16 to 9/16. And if you look on the case itself, these measurements and sizes are in numerical order embossed on the case itself, so you know where to put the sockets back in. So let's take a look at one. Okay, if you look at each one, they are laser marked here on the side. That should remain labeled for some time and withstand wear and tear. These sockets are made with chrome moly alloy that's very, very hard, temperature resistant and pressure resistant. And the opening is the 6-point hex design that reduces wear on the nut compared to a standard socket. You can see the difference between the two. This has a 6-point. These have multiple points. So these could be used with a ratchet. Just put your adapter on the ratchet. And easily used. Or it could be used with a high impact wrench. And you can see how small the 4 millimeter is. So you can actually utilize this for very, very small bolt heads on vehicles or various products. Again, the same thing on the shallow. It just allows you to get to tighter places. So here's the 4 millimeter to the 15 millimeter. This is the 3/16 inch to the 9/16 inch. These are the same thing with shallow. I really do like the hard shell case. It's about 12.6 inches by 7.8 inches. Very durable. So this socket set is meant to last and withstand high temperature and pressure. So they're really break resistant. So I really highly recommend this chrome moly 48-piece socket set by VEVOR.